get my shop set up properly today, because you just don't know what's going to sell, what people would like. Currently at Adelaide Hills again, but it's good to like set yourself up ready to go. Trying to be healthy, so I'm like prepping my meals. My shop set up properly today, so I'm going to be doing some planning. I've already started, like, I checked my emails this morning. I brought up Notion to start making a little bit of a plan because I feel like I don't know where to start. I feel a bit overwhelmed. Like, I've already got my Etsy shop up, but I just haven't done it in so long and I want to plan it all properly. So yeah, I've got my coffee, which I've started already, and I've just been going through my prints. I have all like these old prints in here. I have like quite a lot, but it's hard because you just don't know what's gonna sell, what people would like. And I think as an artist you get stuck in your own head. Like, you think that some art pieces are like really good and stuff, but then they just don't sell. People just maybe are not interested in it as much as you felt with that art piece. I'm currently listening to a playlist. It's called Focus Deep House Mix. Really liking it at the moment. Good morning, it's Wednesday today. I'm currently at Adelaide Hills again, just like in the last vlog if you saw it. It's actually my day off work today. I've got an RDO, which is a rostered day off, so I thought I'd come up here in the morning. It's like just gone 7 AM. Then I'm going to go and get some granola for breakfast and a coffee, and then head back home and do some stuff to my shop. So I thought I'd just say hi now before I get really out of breath and into like the whole walk. So yeah, I'm really happy that I pushed myself to come here. So I've got my amino acids in this. I got this from Kmart. I really like the design on it. Really beachy. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to walk up there, try and go to like the first or the second waterfall or something like that. home now. It's actually 11:15. I've only just sat down in my office to like start working, so I had to like wash my hair and everything. I also sent off that order that I packed. I was going to send it out at the weekend, then I realised it was Sunday and the post office wasn't open. And then I'm like working in the week and the post office closes at 5. So luckily I had today off, so I did that. And yeah, I just checked my emails. I had like the 3rd email from this company who wanted to reach out for collaboration. It was like a paint by numbers thing, and they said they would send me a free product if I featured it in my videos. But the fact that they've emailed me the 3rd time already has really put me off, so I've just decided to reply back and say I'm not interested. But yeah, it's a bit late start to the morning. Like, going to Marietta Falls for that hike took ages. Like, it takes me about 45 minutes to drive there. I left at like 6:30 in the morning to go. But I do want to go to Officeworks today because I had this idea suddenly. Like, I have this folder, which is an old folder I made a couple of years ago when I was kind of running my business. So I've got all these tabs that I made of like printing stuff, post office, super, Medicare, important details, invoices. Like, I tried to keep everything all in one place, and I think I want to go to Officeworks and get maybe some, actually I don't think I need plastic sleeves. Might get some plastic sleeves, and I also want to get some dividers because these are just like little sticky things and they're all kind of bending and falling off a bit. So I was thinking of having like a plastic wallet for each month, and then any receipts I get like from my Etsy orders, probably that's it actually, or any like supplies or things that I buy that's in relation to my business, then I'll just pop all the receipts in that plastic wallet and then put the month name. But it's good to like set yourself up ready to go at the beginning. I think it's just a good way to keep more organised, you know. First of all, I might re-add some prints into my shop, a couple that I like. I do have some ideas for like different sets of prints and stickers and bookmarks. I hope that you are enjoying following along my setting up of my business again. Definitely join my email list because I am looking to post out, well, to email out like every 2 weeks ish on there. So it's all like updates, freebies, and extra like work in progress of my illustrations that I don't really share anywhere else. So yeah, I'll leave a link below if you want to come and join the email community. But yeah, anyway, let's just get started because it's already freaking nearly 12 o'clock and I'll be having my lunch soon. Where has the day gone? To reprint this sticker just because I thought it would look nicer with a little happy face, but I don't know if you can see, the print has like kind of got all these lines going through it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty annoying because I can really notice it. But anyway, I added some more prints to my shop. I've added this mermaid, so that one's in there. This meditation elf girl, one of my favourites, is really old illustration as well. And this one, which is another popular print, which I actually love as well. And then this one, which is a girl with a little Maltese dog. So I thought that was really cute. So those are the only ones I've added in the shop so far. At the moment they're only available in A5. And I'm not prepared to print anymore. So whatever is here is like what is available, because my printer is just like not very good anymore. So I had the idea to make a sticker pack, which is like a beach sticker pack. So I was going to include all of these stickers, good vibes, the surfboard and the little sunshine, and I was going to make it into a sticker pack. For now I might just add them as they are and just use the ones that say shine bright because I've got quite a lot of these. And I guess I just need to save up for a better printer. So I'm actually going to go and have some lunch now, take Cookie for a walk, go to Officeworks. Once I get back I will show you like a little setup preview of like my folder layout in case it inspires you or gives you some ideas for like setting up your own folder. and I'm just going to take a quick product photo of all of these together and then add these to my shop really quick and have some lunch and get going. So yeah, really love this. I've actually got so many beachy illustrations that I would love to add in little packs. And I feel like the day is going by so quickly. I just feel like I've not really got much done at all. Like my printer is playing up. I've just been trying to apply for the citizenship, which I've literally nearly done it, but had to print something out, but the ink is going funny. I tried doing a print nozzle check just earlier and I did it like 4 times and it still isn't clearing it. So I feel like I just need a new printer, to be honest. But at the moment I'm just setting up my folder, so I've just put all my tabs in. So I just want to show you the tabs I've chosen to put in. So I bought these little labels and I just cut across them to make them smaller. So the first one is business details. So anything like an ABN number, bank stuff, business name, registration. Budget tracker, I'm going to fill out some pages and like set it out for budget trackers each month so I can kind of keep on top of everything going in and out, which I think they're pretty handy to do. The next thing is like logins, a whole list of like any subscriptions I have, anywhere that I usually log into. Gonna write the password and my login so I can never forget them. Then I've got receipts, and that's where I'm gonna add all my plastic wallets with each month and then add all my receipts in there. Step by step is next, and that's going to be like basically I've got some tutorials like written out on how to print certain things and the settings that I need. It's pretty handy to have so you don't forget certain things. So yeah, I've got that, and then I've got a printer and post office on the next ones. So I don't know, any information with the printer or any post office information like postage prices or things like that, I'll just add in there. And the other tabs I have empty at the moment. Hello, it's Thursday. I've actually just got back from work, which is why the lighting's a bit funny. I mean, I haven't put the big light on, I just like my lamp on and stuff because it's cozy. But I've just warmed up my dinner, which I've just got chicken, broccoli and sweet potato. Trying to be healthy, so I'm like been prepping my meals even for the evening so that I can just heat it up real quick because it's like just gone 6 p.m. So I'm just really hungry. I wanted to show you this cute little plant, by the way. I got this from the gym. They were just giving them out. Like they had a table full of them and they just put like a sign saying please take one. So I brought one of these home. It's so cute. And they had a sticker, a round sticker with the gym name on here, but I decided to put my little sunshine sticker on there, which literally covered it perfectly. I've actually just come straight into my art room because I want to continue editing this video because I actually want to get it up this weekend. But I'm going to end this one here because I'm just going to be editing now, and then it's like already Thursday, so it's almost the weekend again already. Thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. I really appreciate all your support, and I will see you all in my next video at the weekend. Well, next weekend for you. Alright, bye!